Hello everyone, welcome back to Positive Energy Channel. I hope you're doing great today. In this short video, I'll show you where to find the Redact tool in Adobe Acrobat. If you're trying to hide or remove sensitive information from a PDF and can't find the Redact option, don't worry, you're in the right place. Let's get started. First, open your PDF document in Adobe Acrobat. Now, look at the left-hand side panel. Click on All Tools. You will see many options here. If the Redact tool is visible, just click on Redact, and you're ready to remove sensitive information from your PDF. But if you don't see the Redact tool, don't worry. Scroll all the way to the very bottom of the All Tools panel. There, you'll find View More. Click on View More, and now you will see additional tools. From this list, select Redact a PDF. That's it. The Redact tool is now available, and you can safely hide or remove sensitive text from your document. And that's how you find the Redact tool in Adobe Acrobat. Simple and easy. If this video helped you, please like, share, and subscribe to Positive Energy for more useful tips. Thanks for watching, stay positive, and I'll see you in the next video.